Hello techies, welcome to another episode of the Hidden Web Series, where we uncover the secrets of the deep and dark web, one layer at a time. In our previous episode, we briefly mentioned something called PGP, pretty good privacy. It came up when we discussed how to verify dark websites and vendors. Well, in this episode, guess what? We are digging deeper. Yeah, let's say you're on a dark web forum and a post appears. The site has moved, click here to follow. How do you know that message is legit? In a world full of clones, scams, and traps, PGP is your digital lie detector. Let's break it down. PGP stands for Pretty Good Privacy. Despite the modest name, it's actually one of the most powerful encryption tools around. PGP is used to protect your emails, messages, and files, keeping them safe from snooping. Think of it like writing a private letter, sealing it in an envelope, and stamping it with your unique signature, so the reader knows it's really from you and hasn't been tampered with. PGP uses two keys. One, a public key, which you share with the world, like your email address, and a private key, which you keep secret, like a password that opens your inbox. If someone wants to send you a secure message, they have to use your public key to encrypt it. Only you can unlock it with your own private key. And when you sign a message with your private key, others can check the signature using your public key to confirm it's really you. On the dark web, it's easy for scammers to impersonate websites, forums, and vendors. That's why legitimate platforms use PGP to sign their official messages and updates. When users verify the signature using the site's public key, they can confirm if the message is real or a scam. It also allows anonymous yet secure communication between buyers, sellers, and admins. PGP is more than just encryption, it's about trust. A PGP signature proves that the message came from the right person. It also ensures the message hasn't been altered after it was sent. So if you ever see a dark web update, forum post, or vendor profile, always check their PGP signature. If it doesn't match, don't trust it. Unlike the surface web, there is no central authority on the dark web to verify who's legit or not. Instead, we have the web of trust, a decentralized system where users manually vouch for each other's public keys. Over time, a network forms where trust is earned, not assigned. It's fragile but powerful, built on users verifying and endorsing one another. So to recap, in the hidden web, trust is real. PGP gives us a way to create that trust through encryption and digital proof. Always verify PGP signature before acting on anything, especially messages about new links, site updates, or vendor communications. And remember, on the dark web, your privacy is your own protection. Up next in the Hidden Web series, we'll show you how to spot fake PGP signature, how scammers try to trick even cautious users. Don't fall for it. Stick with HAYTECHOPS and stay safe on the shadows of the web. Until next time, techies, verify before you trust. And please, don't forget to like and click the subscribe button. Thank you. See you next.